channel. So today I plan on doing my hair. I want to do my hair. I'm tired of this wig. I'm sure y'all, I'm sick of this wig. I loved it. It was nice while I was here, but it's time for it to go. I need a new hairstyle. Like, I really miss doing my hair, but I'm only gonna do my hair if I can find needle and thread or some hair glue, because I want to do a sew-in or a quick weave. And I'm debating if I want to do an updo with a butterfly braid or just a middle part with a butterfly braid. I don't know yet. So I'm about to get these bundles that I wore for prom and wash them and then blow dry them and then install them and then take this wig off and then wash my hair or rinse my hair, one of the two. I've literally just washed my hair and I ain't put no product in my hair when I did this wig, but I did put oil in my hair and on my scalp. So I don't know. I just don't feel like washing my hair. Like, I really don't. But we'll see what happens. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, y'all, so I'm back, but I have a crimper. My sister let me use her crimper for today. Is it supposed to go in front? Like, what the heck? I think it's supposed to go behind it. Like, why is it doing that? Yeah, that's how I go. But she let me use her crimper, so we're gonna crimp my hair too. I'm so excited for this. I'm literally so excited for this hairstyle. Like, but it came to a realization that I don't have a blow dryer head, so therefore I will be flat ironing and blow drying all night. Okay, it was a wand curler on that before, but now I put the crimper on there. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing this all freaking day and night. Like, I just know I know. But yeah, so these is the same bundles from prom that my auntie got me. I miss my auntie so much, but I blow dry these a little bit, so that's what it looks like that. But there's some curly bundles. These are so good to straighten. I had to hold it and like straighten it like this. So it's not the best, but I'm gonna go in and reflat on it once I install them. Cause I know y'all seen those little things on whole TikTok where they put that in the mirror and they hold it and they're able to like blow dry it and flat on it. But yeah, just how they come out. It don't got no oil in it or nothing, so that's another reason why it come out like that. Right now I'm watching All Eyes on Me on Tubi, the Tupac movie. And I'm about to finish blow drying and flat ironing it. What I did was I just put a claw clip on there so that it holds, and it actually holds really well, so I'm able to still run my fingers through it, hold it, and I can blow dry it and just, you know, do this. Oh! Pull too hard. Okay. So it's the next day. I just wanted to show y'all my hair just a little bit. I'm gonna post it on my story. Y'all definitely gonna see my hair before y'all even see this video, because I'm actually in the process of still editing this reel and then also this YouTube video. So I'm gonna post that reel and everything, so y'all gonna see my hair. But yeah, today's the next day. So I'm gonna end this here because this was supposed to be just a day vlog. But yeah, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, of course. I'm sorry this was so short, but I didn't really have nothing to do, and that was really about it. I had a little stuff to do, so I was just like, might as well show y'all, just so y'all can have a little content, a little something. So yeah, but I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah, bye.